You've heard about human dentistry, but have you heard about equine dentistry or horse dentistry? No? Well, here's India's first equine dental technician, Dr. Akriti Choksi.
Hi, I'm Akriti Choksi. I'm India's first equine dental technician. So it's always been my dream to work with animals, and I think when I researched online, I think that I realized that horse teeth are the most different from all the other mammals. So being a dentist already, I thought let me do something different, which is horse teeth. And the idea of being an equine dental technician really was fascinating for me. And this is like a, it's a profession abroad, but here it's not very well known. Yes, so obviously my father and mother were really intrigued by aisa bhi kuch hota hai, like, is there a horse dentist, how is this even possible? But then I showed them my research, whatever I had done, and they were very, very supportive, and they said, please go and follow your dreams. If you are really sure of this is what you want to do, then go ahead and do it. I got into it. I came back from New Zealand after my course, and I very shortly, in about 6 months or so, I started working at Mahalakshmi Racecourse. It's been about 10 or 11 years that I've been working now with horses in India. So I trained to be a dentist, a human dentist in India, but then I offshooted to, then I changed to equine dentistry, which is the best course that I found at that time 10 years back was in New Zealand. And that was the longest running course, and they had a lot of hands-on training. I've worked on 800 horses before coming here to India. And then I've also gone to the International Association of Equine Dentistry, which is in the US, and I've upgraded my skills there as well. Equine dentistry is important because these horses are athletes. Now the bit which is in the mouth is attached to the reins which is in the hand of the riders, the jockeys. So when the horse is supposed to be doing something, or when the rider is trying to give the horse some command or requesting the horse to turn or move, it is through the bit that they give most of their commands. So if they are uncomfortable in the mouth, if their mouth is sharp, if they are not being able to chew right, they're not able to eat well, definitely it affects their overall health and overall body condition and everything. There is definitely special equipment for equine dentistry. It's also very kind of similar to the human tools that we have, obviously a much larger version. But the hand tools and power tools, I use both depending on the case what I have in front of me. Each individual case is different, and the tools required in each case is different. So I really wish all the viewers of ET Now a very, very happy Women's Day.